Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's Eastern Pacific Tropical Basin update. So, Hurricane Lydia has explosively intensified right before landfall, and as of 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Tuesday, October the 10th, Hurricane Lydia has maximum sustained winds of 140 miles per hour, a Category 4 hurricane, a minimum central pressure of 942 millibars, and east-northeasterly movement at 16 miles per hour. Looking at the latest cone for Hurricane Lydia from the National Hurricane Center, Lydia is making landfall right now just south of Puerto Vallarta as a major Category 4 hurricane, rapidly intensifying, much stronger than the National Hurricane Center had originally forecasted. So we're going to be seeing some destructive winds and flooding rainfall across Puerto Vallarta for the next 12 to 24 or next 12 to 18 hours as hurricane force winds are impacting Puerto Vallarta with tropical storm force winds extending further inland in the uh, province of Jalisco. We have tropical storm or hurricane warnings in the red for the Islas Marias and areas of central and southwestern Mexico, and tropical storm warnings in the blue. Lydia is expected to weaken to a hurricane by 12 a.m. Wednesday morning and then dissipate 12 p.m. Wednesday across east central Mexico. And looking at the latest Zoom Earth satellite imagery and interactive cone for Hurricane Lydia really got its act together right before making landfall, unfortunately, and is plowing into Puerto Vallarta as it continues to move to the east-northeast. Got the hurricane warnings from Manzanillo, Mexico, through south of Mazatlan, tropical storm warnings into Mazatlan, and tropical storm warnings down south of Manzanillo. As we go into October 11th, 1 a.m. Central Time, looking at an 80 mile per hour Category 1 hurricane moving to the east northeast. And then as we go into Wednesday, 1 p.m. Central Time, Lydia is going to dissipate over east central Mexico as a 35 mile per hour post tropical cyclone. And finally, closing out the video, reading the key messages for Hurricane Lydia. Lydia is expected to make landfall in west central Mexico as a major hurricane this evening. Life-threatening hurricane force winds are expected within the hurricane warning area. Heavy rains from Lydia will likely produce flash and urban flooding, along with possible mudslides in areas of higher terrain across the state of Nayarit, southern portions of the state of Sinaloa, and coastal portions of the state of Jalisco in western Mexico. A dangerous storm surge is expected near and to the south of where the center of Lydia moves on shore along the coast of west central Mexico. Near the coast, the surge will be accompanied by large and destructive waves. Swells from Lydia will cause dangerous surf and rip current conditions along the west coast of Mexico and the Baja California Peninsula during the next day or so. So if you live in Puerto Vallarta and areas just inland, make sure you are sheltering in place for the next 6 to 12 hours as you are experiencing destructive winds of 140 miles per hour and rainfall totals as high as 15 inches. So dangerous flooding and winds from Hurricane Lydia and storm surge. Thanks for watching this evening's update on Lydia. Please stay safe and have a wonderful evening, my friends.